Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming shows of the year, All's Fair, the highly anticipated Hulu legal drama led by none other than Kim Kardashian. Yes, you heard that right. Kim is stepping into a whole new role, and this time, it's not on reality TV, but in a scripted series that's already generating major buzz across Hollywood. After months of speculation, Hulu has officially announced that All's Fair will premiere on November 4th, 2025. The project marks a significant move for Kim Kardashian, who continues to expand her creative and professional reach beyond the world of fashion, business, and reality television. So, what exactly is All's Fair about? The series is described as a glamorous yet gritty look into the high-stakes world of divorce law in Los Angeles. Kim stars as a successful and powerful attorney who specializes in handling the city's most dramatic and high-profile separations. While details about her character remain under wraps, the show promises to explore the emotional, financial, and ethical gray areas that come with relationships, power, and money. What makes this series even more exciting is the powerhouse team behind it. All's Fair is co-created by Ryan Murphy, the creative mind behind shows like American Horror Story, Glee, and The Watcher. Murphy is known for blending sharp storytelling with bold visual style, and teaming up with Kim Kardashian signals a blend of glamour, drama, and social commentary. The duo previously collaborated on the hit American Horror Story, Delicate, where Kim's performance received surprisingly strong praise from both fans and critics. According to early production notes, All's Fair will feature a cast packed with major names from both Hollywood and the fashion world. While the full lineup hasn't been publicly confirmed, insiders suggest the series will include a mix of seasoned actors and rising stars, giving it the potential to become Hulu's next big cultural moment. Filming for the series began earlier this year in Los Angeles, with Kim reportedly dedicating months to preparation. Sources close to the production say she took legal research seriously, even consulting real attorneys to understand courtroom language, client relationships, and case dynamics. Considering Kim's real-life legal studies and her long-term goal of becoming a lawyer, this role seems almost tailor-made for her. Kim herself has expressed excitement about the show in recent interviews. She described All's Fair as a powerful story about women navigating complex worlds, both personal and professional. The tone of the series is said to mix intensity, luxury, and raw emotion, similar to the energy found in other Murphy-led dramas, but with Kim's own unique touch. Fans of the Kardashian empire are already counting down the days. On social media, many have praised Kim's continued evolution, noting how she's transforming her public image from reality star to business mogul, and now into a scripted actress and producer. If All's Fair lives up to the hype, it could cement her as a serious player in the entertainment industry beyond her family's legacy. With its release date now locked in for November 4th, 2025, Hulu is reportedly gearing up for an aggressive promotional campaign. Expect sleek trailers, fashion-forward premieres, and plenty of behind-the-scenes content in the months ahead. The show will likely serve as one of Hulu's biggest fall releases, positioning itself alongside major streaming hits. In short, All's Fair isn't just another TV drama. It's a statement piece. It shows how Kim Kardashian is continuing to redefine her career, proving that reinvention and ambition go hand in hand. Whether you're a longtime fan or simply curious to see how she handles this new chapter, there's no denying that this series is one to watch. So, what do you think about Kim Kardashian stepping into the world of legal drama? Do you believe All's Fair will be her next big success? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, Hollywood news, and deep dives into your favorite stars. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because November 4th is shaping up to be one of the most exciting days in streaming this year.